The vinyl cutter is located in the laser room next to all 5 of the 3D printers. The black laptop is essential to the functionality of the cutter. To properly place vinyl in the cutter, unclamp the 2 roller stabilizers that are located in the back. Slide a sheet of vinyl under the blade and rollers and line it up with the white ruler guidelines. If the placement of the vinyl suits you, clamp the rollers down and begin the cutting process. When cutting a vinyl decal, make sure the on/off line button is glowing green and the power light is on. To set the blade's origin, take the cutter offline and move the blade in your desired location with the arrow buttons. Once you have found your origin, click Origin Set so all the lights blink, and then set the cutter back online. If necessary, to clear any data off the cutter, for example on when it test cuts, take the cutter offline and press the Data Clear button. To make a test cut, simply load vinyl in like you were to normally cut, and take the cutter offline. By pressing the Cut Test button, the cutter will cut out a small square with a cross inside it. This function is simply for troubleshooting. If the repeat button is on, then the error button is most likely blinking. To solve this issue, you need to go to your GreatCut file. Now it's time for GreatCut. Log into the Vex computer and open up GreatCut. It should be on the desktop. GreatCut accepts PDF and AI files from Adobe Illustrator. To put them on this screen, go to File, Import. This is the import screen. Look for the design that you downloaded. It can be either an AI or a PDF. Once you have chosen your design, it should pop up on this display. If this is the design you have selected, click OK. Once you have hit OK on the previous pop-up, your design should automatically go to this page. Then click File, Output. This page is very important. Make sure to double check that the material width located in the white box on the bottom left is 12 inches and the length is 24. Then click Test Drive and Output. If the repeat error is present on the vinyl cutter, then that means that your design is too high. For some reason, it causes an error, but the solution is to just move the design down a little bit.